Scrapwood challenge, Scrapwood challenge. It's crap, it's firewood, but some of the wood is good.
I've called this the Scrapwood Challenge because I'm going to build a different project every day for 7 days straight. I've got this big pile of scrapwood just outside my workshop. Each morning I'm going to come out, select what I need, take it back into the workshop, build a project, film it, edit it all in one day, and then I'll upload it overnight and publish it the next morning. I've never made a project that I've filmed and made the video all in a day before, and I'm planning on doing this for 7 days straight. I'll give it my best shot, so don't forget to tune in and see how I get on. All the wood is camphor laurel and it was going to be burned, but it was donated for me and a group of volunteers to make gifts for our local school's Father's Day store. We had one evening where we made these puzzles and we're going to have another one to make something else. In this series I'll try and pick a range of interesting projects to show what's possible with a bunch of scraps. I'm going to make the first video this Friday, upload it overnight and publish it early Saturday morning. That's Australia time, that will be the 11th of August. It will still be Friday night in most of the world, but I'm sure you'll work it out, so hopefully I'll see you then.